to a place called Dysart. Davie's going to take you all the way to Dysart.
Well, I'll hate to try to read this in a Fife accent, so I hope there's nobody to use the Fife. He came all the way from Dysart. He came all the way from Dysart. I heard the wee woman say, all the way from Dysart, and it's second day. He came all the way from Dysart, 3 miles through slush and snow. All the way from Dysart, man, to see a funeral. He came all the way from Dysart, the stranger for the past. All the way from Dysart, just to prove that friendships last. He came all the way from Dysart to show that he still cared. All the way from Dysart, in remembrance of preachers shared. He came all the way from Dysart just to storm our warrior's grave. All the way from Dysart to give warrior one last week. He came all the way from Dysart, and then everyone would say, especially Wally's widow woman, but she married him the next day.